Here I am again with another tutorial, which is probably only 10 people will watch, and among the 10 people only one will subscribe or like the video. But I'm determined to reach 1,000 likes and comments. I'm not giving up until my channel hits 10,000 subscribers. There are billions of people out there, millions of them are on YouTube. It is easy to get at least 10,000 subscribers, fingers crossed. So those who are watching, subscribe and share my video so that my channel reaches maximum viewers. Damn, it's about time that my channel gets monetized soon. Why am I painting the face with such a dark tone, you might ask? So it's my painting technique. I like to paint with dark tones and then add details to the light. Okay, I'm using 6 Pantone: white, ochre, scarlet, burnt umber, black, burnt sienna. In this time and age, where original art is a thing of the past and technology is taking human elements out of everything, I'm trying to create a human connection with my painting. If I think I'm the best at what I do, then I'm because the mindset needs to be strong in order to achieve the goal. I don't use fancy, chimpanzee tools in order to achieve the desired effect. I use what I have, whether it's old withered brushes or medias. If I want to, I can, but until by the time I start to run through the paintings, I wouldn't like to buy anything expensive. It will only increase my anxiety for multiple reasons, and then I'll be in the burnout phase and I won't be able to paint for a long time period. After I'm done painting the base of the initial painting, I proceed to paint the details, depth, and highlights. This is a large size painting, so it's obvious I'll need some time to finish it, but I'm more concerned about the outcome of this project as I want to sell it too. All the artwork on my channel and social media like Instagram and TikTok are original artwork, which is for sale, whether it's all painting, acrylic painting, watercolor painting, digital print or mixed media are for sale, and few of the paintings are still available for sale. I'll conclude this part of the painting. I'll post the finished painting video soon.